if I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me? What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love.
Y'all, I know, I haven't been picking y'all up at all, but we have been chilling hard AF. Like, you can see it in my eyes. I have literally been asleep the last 2 days, just all day. This is my first day really getting up and doing anything, but we just got out of the pool and we're chilling. Like, I will probably take a nap before we go out to dinner. I'm gonna take y'all with us to dinner. We scheduled our hydrotherapy appointment for the morning, so we're just chilling. Like, this is honestly a really chill spot for anybody who just wants to relax. Like, I'm talking about really relax. If you trying to party and I don't even know what else, like, this ain't it. This ain't the spot for you. If you looking for some action at night, you know what I'm saying, like a hard body party scene, this is not it. This is for someone who wants some peace and quiet. This is definitely our scene, and we have been enjoying it. What you give it, Rob?
On a scale of what?
10.
If you just want to come and relax, based on how quiet it is, what you could do, I'd say 9 or 10.
Yep.
Food's good.
Yep.
Drinks are good.
Service is excellent.
Great.
Yep. This is,
you can order different pillows if you want. So
yeah. Like, we ordered room service and they told them it was going to take like 35 minutes?
You said 45 minutes.
45 minutes. Oh, food was in like 15 minutes. Like, we actually weren't ready. So it's been amazing. And this isn't our first time staying at a Finest property. Like, we've been to the Finest in Playa Mujeres 3 times. We went to Excellence, El Carmen, which is right next door. First time here at the Finest in Punta Cana. So yeah, this is definitely good with me. It's good in my book. So I'm gonna pick y'all up. I'm gonna let this phone charge, and I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get ready.
They want to go to the party spot. They gotta go to Barbaro. That's the party.
Barbaro, yeah. So that's more like downtown area. When you leave the airport, you actually pass it coming in. So if that's more of your scene, that's what you're looking for, definitely looking to go into Barbaro, because we drove past Barbaro to come from here, and it took us about maybe 40 minutes, 45 minutes to get here. So it's been beautiful. But like I said, I'm gonna take y'all with us to go to Dommo. That's where we're eating tonight, and definitely gonna take y'all with us to hydrotherapy, because tomorrow is a chill day. We have our spa appointment, and then that's it. We're not doing anything. But yeah, so I'm gonna go take a nap, like I said, and chill out, relax, and get ready for dinner. I'll talk to y'all later.
On the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.